Hey guys, welcome to this review video of Affiliate Rebill Riches 5.0. So what this product is, I will explain you everything about this product and I will give you a lot of bonuses from my side. As you can see, this is my bonus page and you will be seeing a lot of bonuses from my side. This is only the bonus number 1 and I'm gonna give you tons and tons of bonuses I will be giving you if you get Affiliate Rebill Riches from the link which is down in the description. And I will show you what it is from inside, what it is happening, what you will be getting as inside the Affiliate Rebill Riches. We will discuss a lot, but before explaining everything, let me first show you what this product is. And for doing that, let me show you something real quick, a very good calculation that the product creator has given. So what this is saying is, let us say that we are having a product which is actually okay. So let me first so let us say we are having our monthly visitor value of 1000. Okay, so we can send to any offer or we can promote anything with 1000 visitors per month, and if we consider only 5% of them converts, means out of 1000, if 5%, which means 50% buys something from you, then there is a brief calculation that he has given, and that is, as you can see, so on the first month you have suppose 1000 visitors, on the second month 1000, third month 1000, okay, and there is like 12 months 12,000 visitors. Okay, the conversion rate is 5%, means sending 1000 visitors, will 5% of them will buy and you will be getting 50 sales out of 1000 visitors. Okay, this is typically what happens. 5% is the general conversion rate of any product. Okay, then the monthly sales will be 50. The conversion per sale, let us suppose that you are having conversion per sale is $23, $23.5, then the affiliate earning you will be getting is $1175. Okay, this is what you will be getting if you get a product and if you promote a product at 5% conversion rate and an average conversion value of $23. Then you will be making around $14,100 or euros, whatever it is, on the first year. Okay, this is the rough calculation that anyone is making if they promote affiliate products. This is the typical value that everyone is getting. Okay, but let us suppose that you are doing it, means promoting the same stuff, but means you are promoting, you're doing affiliate marketing, but you are promoting right now recurring, means the products which are having a recurring commissions. Okay, what recurring commission means, someone buys a product and they stays with the product and they purchase some part of it every month. Okay, or to renew that part every month, they will be paying to the product creator and the product as you are the affiliate who send him that sale, so the product creator will share a certain percentage of that money with you. This is the simple funda of recurring commissions. Okay, so let us suppose that the same guy who sent 1000 visitors, the conversion rate is 5% and he has got the monthly sales of 50, then the recurring sale will be something like, so suppose 10% of them drops off. Okay, 10% of the guys will drop off, as they have written down here, that drop off means the member who leaves. Why the member leaves? Because many times they do not want to stay with that product, or many times their card fails, or a lot of situations can happen, or maybe the PayPal or the other the money transferring the money transferring mechanism has got some problems, or whatever the case it is, they are not, means continuing with the product. Then they have calculated, or they have considered 10% of the people are not buying the recurring commissions. Okay, so what this will do is, they are doing, so on the first month you are having 50 sales, Recurring sales on the first month will be 0 because it is the first month. Then again 50 sales, but now 10% of them drops off, means on the first month who brought the product will now 10% of them opts out of the product, and you are having only 45 sales, recurring sales. Okay, then again this will add on. You will be getting 85 because 10% of again so there are having 50 50 50 150 sales, and out of 150 10% of them goes out. Then 10% of 150 will be 15. Okay, and hence out of 100 they are having 85 sales. Then likewise they are doing the calculation, and what they found that the money you will be making after this year will be $64,507 with only or promoting recurring commissions or recurring products instead of what standard products. Okay, so you were promoting standard products, but now you will be promoting the recurring products through the same traffic. This will just more than it just increases your revenue more than 5, means around 4.5 or 5 times your revenue which you were getting if you were promoting the standard products, okay, instead of the recurring products. So what this affiliate Rebill Riches is telling you about, it is telling you to promote recurring commissions, means the offers which are having the recurring commissions. Okay, this is the funda behind affiliate Rebill Riches. So what they will be doing is they will be showing you various products which there are a lot of mechanisms how to choose a perfect recurring product. So what they are doing is they have means they shortlisted a lot of products which are recurring based, which are having a highest conversion value, and they will be showing you how to promote that product and how to get approved for that product, how to promote that product, and everything related to your affiliate marketing journey. They will tell you about everything. Okay, so this is what the affiliate Rebill Riches is doing. As you can see, introducing affiliate Rebill Riches, 250 plus recurring affiliate programs. So they will be giving you 250 plus recurring affiliate programs. Okay, this is the 5th edition of this one. They have already launched 4, and now this is the 5th edition, and you will get 17 separate lists containing 250 recurring offers. Okay, and it is 100% manually up to date. All these products are listed in ClickBank, so even you are just a beginner, you do not have any issues getting affiliate approved. Okay, so there are a lot of things you can watch this, what they are giving you when you land on this page. Okay, so this is the sales page of this product. If you click on the link down below, you will be landing on my bonus page. Let me just first of all show you what my bonuses are. Okay, so this is my bonus page. As you can see, for affiliate Rebill Riches, this is the time you are having to get all the bonuses, because after this time my bonus page will go down and you do not have access to my bonuses again. So what you will be doing is, so let me show you my bonuses. So this is the bonus number 1. The bonus number 1 is 16 top affiliate marketing courses. So I am giving you affiliate marketing complete knowledge regarding to affiliate marketing. This is the bonus which you should not miss if you wanna enter into affiliate marketing field, because as you can see, lot more successful products I have given you for free right now if you get this product. Okay, what you need to do is simply click on any of the buttons right here. Click here to secure a copy and your bonuses, and you will be getting access to all of these products. Okay, the next bonus number 2, which I'm going to give you, is traffic. So there are top 6 traffic courses. This will show you how to send traffic to any link, any product, anywhere. So this is the thing which you should be having if you are entering into affiliate marketing, because this is the thing which will make you a lot more sale if you have the knowledge with you. Okay, so this is everything about traffic. I will show you everything in detail in this bonus number 2, and so you do not have any worry about where to get that traffic. Okay, so the bonus number 2, this was only the bonus number 2 which I'm going to give you. So do not miss out on the bonuses. Just click the link down below, land on this page. From this page, you can click on any of these buttons below. Click here to secure a copy and your bonuses. You are good to go. Okay, so my bonuses has not ended up yet. Bonus number 3, as you can see, again a humongous bonus. This is the bonus number 3 that I'm going to give you. I have not been placed every bonuses separately so that it will add up like, and it will look like there are a lot of bonuses. I have clubbed all of them. I have given you 9 money making courses, as you can see. From 0 to $100 in 24 hours, the secret weapon, the lost code, mobile, easy passive paydays, profit factory, breakthrough. These are all money making courses. This is what will make you money, and this will make you instant money, as you can see, from 0 to $100 in 24 hours. These are the products which are sold in the past like crazy. You are having access to all of these bonuses. Just click the link down below, which is in the description. You will land on this page. Go from here, any buttons right here, go to this page, grab a copy of affiliate Rebill riches, and all of these bonuses will be transferred directly to your account. Okay, so this is the bonus number 3 that I'm going to give you, and I have not written down every bonuses separately so that it will look like a long list of bonuses. There are like 9 bonuses here, 6 here means 15, and then 16 here means 31 bonuses I have given you if you get affiliate Rebill riches right now from the link which is down below. Okay, so there is no way that you should miss out on this product. This is a one-time deal, and you are having time up to this timer hits 0. After this timer hits 0, you will not get access to these bonuses again. So act fast and act right now to get all of these bonuses. Okay, so now let us see what bonuses the affiliate, the vendor is giving you. Let us see. Okay, so the bonus number 1 that they are giving you is affiliate marketing training. So they will teach you everything what to do regarding to all of these recurring bonuses, how to create the products, means how to choose the product, how to promote the products, how to get the traffic. Okay, so as you can see, the bonus number video 1, video 2, video 3, there are a lot of videos that they will be giving you. Then again, the bonus number 2 is create content that sells. This is the bonus number 2. The bonus number 3, it get free traffic. 4 proven ways to get free traffic to any website. So I have also given you a lot of bonuses. Right now, today the price is $10.8. So it is very less compared to the things you are getting from this product. Okay, so do not miss out on this product. Go down below and click the link in the description, and you know what to do. Grab a copy of this product, and this product and all of the products I am going to give you will be completely yours if you act right now. They are also giving you a 7-day money back guarantee. So there is no way you should miss out on this product. Okay, and now let me show you what interior of this product. So this is access your purchase here. They are having a free training. Again, access your products, affiliate Rebill riches. This is a zip file. You can directly download the document right here. Then bonus number 1, affiliate marketing training that we just saw. Create content that sells, as we just saw. 4 proven ways to get traffic, as we just saw. Unannounced bonuses, they are having also unannounced bonuses, free email sequence, and a free bonus, how to make $500 each day simply from YouTube videos, and how you can too, how he is making and you can too. Click here directly. Okay, any questions, contact me here. Okay, Van Wilson. Further resources, 15 top ClickBank of product reviews with full PLR. They're also giving you this one. And the trainings, let us see the trainings. These are the trainings: video 1, video 2, video 3, video 4, video 5, video 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So all of these bonuses they are giving you for making a good sale through affiliate marketing and making a good fortune through affiliate marketing. And how, as we just saw, how you can leverage the resource of what it is called, the recurring commissions, and it will make your profit on the next level. Okay, so this was all about the video. Let me again show you before wrapping up the video all the bonuses that I'm going to give you. So this is bonus number 1, 16 affiliate marketing courses. Bonus number 2, traffic courses, 6 traffic courses. Bonus number 3, money making courses. All of these will be yours if you act right now. Click the down below link in the description. You will land on this page. This page, go and click on any of these buttons right here before the timer hits 0. Okay, and you will be landing on this page. In this page, just click on add to cart, buy this product, and all of the bonuses will be transferred directly to your account. Okay, so where to access these products? Since this is a Warrior Plus account, Warrior Plus product, so you will be seeing something like this one, access affiliate bonus. So when you click on this link, all of the bonuses will be transferred to your account. Okay, there is no way you should miss out on this product, and I hope you are gonna get this product. And similarly, in this channel I promote only good products, so consider subscribing to the channel, like this video, share this video with others who are entering into affiliate marketing, who want to enter into affiliate marketing. Show them a way how they can leverage recurring commissions, and they can take their affiliate marketing game on the next level. Okay, so I hope a lot of success in your affiliate marketing journey through this product. And if you have any questions, ask me down below in the comment section. I will try my best to answer you. And that is all for this video. I hope you are gonna subscribe to the channel and like this video, share this video with others, click on the and obviously click the bell icon. Okay, and I will meet you in the next video with another product or another training. Till then, bye, take care.